Hi children, good morning. Today we'll learn how to prepare the balance sheet of not-for-profit organization. The balance sheet shows the financial position of an organization as at particular date. The method of preparing balance sheet of not-for-profit organization is also same as that of business firm. The only difference is that not-for-profit organization, they prepare two balance sheet, one opening balance sheet and other at the end is closing balance sheet. And the purpose of preparing this opening balance sheet is to find out the capital fund. Okay. Now let's see what all is to be recorded in the opening balance sheet. First is that we'll record cash in hand or cash at bank. This amount you will get from receipt and payment account, that is opening balance of cash will be recorded in the asset side. Okay. Same way assets that also of beginning of the year. All the adjustment at the beginning of the year will be recorded in the opening balance sheet. Okay. So first we'll record cash in hand or cash at bank, then we'll record the asset that is of beginning of the year which will be given to you in the adjustment. Next is that outstanding subscription, that also beginning of the year, and prepaid expenses also beginning of the year. So in the asset side, what all we have to write? Cash in hand or cash at bank, assets, outstanding subscription and prepaid expenses all at the beginning of the year. In the liabilities side, if it is a bank overdraft, receipt and payment account, if your bank balance shows credit balance, that you have to write opening balance, you will write bank overdraft in the liabilities side. Then outstanding expenses and advance subscription. Okay. So in the liabilities side, we will write bank overdraft, outstanding expenses and advance subscription. After recording all this, we'll do the total of assets, then we'll do the total of liability, find out the difference, and the balancing figure will be your capital fund. Okay, and the purpose of preparing opening balance sheet is to find out the capital fund. What is the formula for capital fund? Total assets minus total liabilities. And you have to keep in mind that all the information at the beginning of the year will be recorded in the opening balance sheet. Okay. So cash in hand you will get the amount from receipt and payment account, and all the rest amount you will get in the adjustment which is of beginning of the year. Okay. Now let's see how to prepare the closing balance sheet. Okay. So in the closing balance sheet, the first and foremost thing which we have to write, we'll start from the liabilities side. Okay. We'll write the capital fund which we had find in the opening balance sheet. Okay. Plus surplus or deficit, less deficit. This is the result of income and expenditure account. Okay. So first in the liabilities side, we will write the capital fund, then we'll add surplus or we'll deduct the deficit. Okay. Next is that if any fund is given either in an adjustment or in the receipt and payment side, payment account, in the receipt side we will write all the fund, okay, which we are not transferring to the income and expenditure account, that all will be transferred to the balance sheet. Okay. So if any fund is given, that will be recorded in the closing balance sheet. How we will record it? Opening balance plus donation. Okay. Then plus income from building fund investment. Suppose if it is building fund, will income from the building fund investment, that all will be added and we will record here. Okay. So if any fund is given, that will be recorded in the liability side. Okay. Same way if sports fund is given, the same procedure we have to follow here also. How we will record? Opening balance plus donation plus income from investment minus sports price expenses. If any expenses is there, then we have to deduct that expenses from the fund. Okay. So first we will record capital fund, then we will record the other specific funds, then outstanding expenses at the end of the year. If any outstanding expenses are there, end of the year will be recorded in closing balance sheet. Same way, advance subscription, whatever we are recording in the opening balance sheet, that will be recorded in the closing balance sheet also. The only difference is that in the opening balance sheet you will write at the beginning of the year figure, and here in the closing balance sheet you will write the figure of end of the year. And other major difference is that in opening balance sheet we do not do any adjustment, we only directly write the amount. Okay, all the adjustments are done in the closing balance sheet. So let's revise the liabilities side. Liability side we will write capital plus surplus or deficit. Then if building fund is given or sports fund is given or any specific fund is given, then will be recorded in the liability side. Life membership fee, that also will be recorded in the liability side. Then outstanding expenses and advance subscription. Okay, then let's come to the asset side. Okay, asset side, let's see the fixed assets. Opening balance will write, opening balance means the figure of asset which is given in the opening balance sheet. Then purchase, if we had purchased any asset, okay, that figure we will get from the receipt and payment account, payment side. Okay, that will be added, opening balance sheet plus purchases. If any depreciation is there of, then we will deduct the depreciation. Okay, then if sale of asset is there, then that also will be deducted from the value, and the final value will be recorded in front of the asset. So what is the adjustment of asset? Opening balance plus purchases minus depreciation minus sale. Okay, next, current assets. If any investment is there, they will write the investment in the asset side. This value also you will get from the receipt and payment account, payment side. Okay, and accrued interest. Accrued interest will be added to the investment. If it is fixed deposit or government securities or bonds, that all are considered as investment. It will be given in question in different names, but we have to record that in asset, and you have to add accrued interest. Okay, next is outstanding subscription, that we recorded in the opening balance sheet also. Outstanding subscription is asset, we will record here at the end of the year. This will be given to you in the adjustment. Prepaid expenses also is an asset, it also will be recorded the asset side, and at the end of the year figure will be recorded. Then cash in hand and cash at bank, and that is closing balance. Okay, closing balance of receipt and payment account will be recorded in the closing balance sheet. Okay, so asset side you have to write fixed asset, current asset, outstanding subscription, prepaid expenses, and cash in hand and cash at bank in the closing balance sheet. Okay, so in this way we have to prepare the closing balance sheet and opening balance sheet. Okay, thank you.